expenses to cost center. F-02 is the T code. Post expenses to cost center F-02. F-02. Okay. Document date 05.05.2026. Today we are doing, so it's 5th. Okay. Next one. So rent. We have a cost element for rent. What are the cost elements that we are having? We have rent, we have fuel, we have this services, but we don't have accommodation GL account, transportation GL account. So in real time they will create it. So I already told you how to create it, but I'll take instead of accommodation I'll take fuel, instead of transport I'll take service. Okay, whatever available I'm taking, that's it. Otherwise you create and post it, no problem. I already told you how to create several times. Okay, so rent, this is the rent. How much? Oh, services. Okay, wait. I'll tell you one trick now. Please remember. I don't want to, suppose if I don't want to use this GL account, but by mistake I have entered it. So I'll make it blank. If I keep blank means it'll ignore. Okay. So once again 40. First I want to take rent. Where is my rent? This is the rent. Okay. Amount in is 0. Line item will be ignored. Yes, I want to ignore that line. Second line, this is the rent. Amount, how much amount? Rent is nothing but accommodation, right? Okay, we'll use this. Rent is nothing but accommodation. 2 lakhs is my amount. I don't want to send to the cost center. I want to send to the internal order. Where is my internal order? 101092. 101092. This is my internal order. So text I am giving like success meet Vizag. Okay. Now 40 is done. Now once again another 40. Rent is done. I am taking fuel. Fuel, I am taking uh, transportation. Okay. 1 lakh. Okay. Accommodation is done. I'll take food. I'll not take fuel. Fuel. Give me 2 minutes. I'll create a GL accounts. I want to give some clear cut explanation. So I am trying to create the GL accounts. Give me 1 second. Food. Select this. Copy. I'll make it as 30. This is for food. Food. Okay. Everything will be same because I'm copying. And my cost element also I have to create. 1. I already told you it's 1. Save. Food is there. One more account. What we need? I need accommodation. Okay. Select this. Copy. Make it as 40. Accommodation. Next one. Transportation. Select this. Okay. I did not create the cost element, right? Let me complete that cost element also. Otherwise, you cannot send to the controlling. One more, last one will be 50. Transportation. Okay. Now I have my actual example related GL accounts. Now I'll make it simple for you. Okay. I'll do one small change. Accommodation cost, they're telling 2,10,000 rupees. Okay, no problem. I am paying a food and accommodation to in one document, transportation in another document. Otherwise, food and accommodation we are paying to one vendor, transportation will be another vendor. Okay, it can be like that. So ideally, this is one bill, this is one bill. These two are one bill. This is another bill. Okay. Now I am taking first bill. I am posting F-02. You can use F-02 or you can use FB60 also, no problem. Your wish. So I'll take F60 because I will take vendor. The vendor is okay. If I'm taking 60, I need to change my company code B040 here. Okay. Now this is my vendor. What is my vendor? My vendor is Reliance Industries. Okay. 05.05.2026. In real time, they will create vendor as Novatel Hotel Visor. But here I am taking available vendor. So total value is 4,10,000 rupees. 4,10,000. What's the total value, boss? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4.1. I mean 4,10,000 rupees. And this is for okay. Next one, GL account. I have two GL accounts. First GL account is food. It is with 4 series, 4 star. I can get all the 4 star, 4 list. Fuel, sorry, food. How much? 2 lakh rupees. When I am giving my expenses GL account, automatically it is asking my the cost object. Cost object or not cost centers. Cost object, in my case, it is order. So order number how much? 101092. 101092. Next, 4,000,040. This is 2,10,000. Okay. Again, same order. Okay. So now I will try to keep my text also if needed. Where is my text? Text. Is it possible to copy? Yes, it is possible to copy. Plus plus. Now go to simulate. Who will do this? Finance people will do this because both are belongs to one bill. Na? That's why they have kept it in single document only. Okay, save. Now I am getting a warning message saying that the budget is almost exhausted. I want to show this. That's the reason I have taken these two in one bill. So what is our budget? 5 lakhs. In this 5 lakhs, how much is 40%? 4 lakhs. Now we are using beyond 40, beyond 80%. So it is saying our budget is getting exhausted. Warning message. If I click enter, if I press enter button, it will post. But I am just double clicking this. I am seeing it like remaining budget is 90,000 rupees. Okay. Remaining budget how much? 90,000. save, save, enter, enter. That's it. Posted. So now the document you can see here. You can go to environment. You can go to uh, document environment. Okay. You can use relationship browser here. You can see the controlling document also generated automatically. In controlling, you can see this. So you have, I'll try to explain. You have posted to the finance, automatically it is going to the controlling because controlling is there in the document. Cost and internal orders are there. Internal orders are part of controlling, and to send values to internal orders, cost elements are there, which is which is carrying the cost from FI to CO. It is taking cost from finance to controlling, and it is keeping in internal orders. Okay, so that is what it had happened. You can see the controlling document. You can see the two lines are there in controlling. So it went food is one and accommodation is another one. Okay, go back. Got it. Next, one more expenses. Maybe same vendor only, a different vendor, your wish. Okay. So now what they have done, transportation bill they have given. The transportation bill is 1,10,000 rupees. 1,10,000 rupees is the transportation bill. Okay. So GL account, transportation GL account. What is the GL account? Do you remember? I think 50. So 1,10,000 rupees is the transportation bill. Again, cost center also. I'll take text here. Cost center. This is the cost center. No, not cost center. Order. This is the order. Now I'll simulate. I'll try to post. I'm getting error. Previously warning I got. Now I'm getting error. What is the error? Budget is exceeded. So it is crossing 100% of the budget. If it is crossing 100% of the budget, SAP should not accept. It's not accepting. You have done this setup in your configurations, if you remember. Okay. So this is